Hello everyone, welcome back to the Genomics Bootcamp. I am back with another recommendation video, this time for a book called Twitter for R Programmers. As I might have mentioned it before, R is an integral part of our work and our integral part of the genomic analysis we are doing also on this channel. So because of that, learning R or any other programming language is really essential. Surprisingly, Twitter is an extremely good place to network with R programmers, fellow scientists, academics, or people otherwise involved in the genomics data analysis. Or if you consider they don't really need to be involved in a genomic data analysis, because most of the stuff we are doing is data wrangling and modification and data visualization, and you can apply that one for any field you can imagine. And if you are not on Twitter yet, seeking out the newest trends in R, this book will show you how to proceed. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that, well, social media could be, how to put it mildly, well, a not so nice place full of confrontations, but it's also a very nice place if you are searching for tips and tricks on R, in particular Twitter. So in particular, if you are a Twitter newbie or just a newcomer when it comes to R stats Twitter, then this book gives you a few pointers how to do that and how to set up your Twitter feeds so you get most out of it. It is a short book and frankly, not too many very surprising information in it, but it actually gives you a very good overview about the people who might be very interesting for this particular purpose, namely for exponentially increasing your R networks on Twitter. There are some tips and tricks on the tweets, how to compose them, do's and don'ts, and similar, and giving also insights to features of Twitter that might not be so obvious at the first glance, for example, hashtags. Also, some R specialties with Twitter, for example, the Tidy Tuesday. Now, when I look at it, it actually in this book discusses quite a number of topics. So perhaps also I need to read them through in a greater detail. But anyway, so as I said, overall, the book is not very long and basically highlights the most important information that you need. Well, I am a huge fan of Twitter, and for a longer time now, I try to convince my colleagues about the advantages of Twitter as for work and networking. So I might come back to Twitter for academia or Twitter for professional life also in some future videos. But for now, I leave you with this book. It's an extremely good one. Just go on, explore, and I will be back with another video and another recommendation soon.